What's going on? Happy Shabbat. There is no other holiday going on. Today, Ilana and I are making a lavender lemon cake. I am repping today the internet's only college football podcast, the Shutdown Fullcast, and I figure we're gonna get started. When she comes through, she's gonna come through. So, see what's up about it. I've already got my loaf tins ready and raring to go. Ovens preheated. Things that I am well too prepared for because I don't even have my recipe. I don't even know if I have all my ingredients. I definitely don't have any parchment paper. So this cake right here is for our friend Sasha. It's her surprise birthday party. And she is the friend who set up Lana and myself about 8-9 months ago actually. And we've been in pandemic times ever since. And we had asked Sasha's boyfriend about what flavors she liked. Took a minute, but eventually we settled on lemon lavender, which is really auspicious because over the last week we went to Blooming Hill Lavender Farm out in Loudoun County, and I picked up this culinary lavender that we're going to put in the buttercream. Really looking forward to it. I think it's going to be a good shot. So over here I've got 6 eggs cracked. They're pretty gross. And we're making a Genoese sponge today, lemon Genoese sponge, and it's calling for castor sugar. It's the same thing as powdered sugar. Why do the Brits have to be so weird about everything? Because they spent 1,000 years on an island surrounded only by themselves. That'll do that. All right, 70. It was originally 75 grams. I'm going for 150. So I'm going to say that's doubled in size. Take that off the heat. And I'm going to keep whipping until this gets coldish. Hey, love.
Hi. Do you need help?
Sure. Could you measure and melt 50 grams of butter for me? I've achieved the ribbon stage. It looketh like this. It's not super cold. I'm gonna wait till it's colder. But yeah. Making progress. Do. What's that face for?
I don't know. I'm
Really hard to show. But look how, like, this is just powdered sugar and eggs. And it looks like...
looks a little creepy, not gonna lie.
Fair. All right. So we've got our ribbon stage eggs and castor sugar. I took the juice and zest from 1.5 lemons. Lana graciously melted the butter and poured out the flour. And I think we're gonna start with the flour in the thank you. Have you had enough coffee?
No, it's still hot.
Oh. I thought you liked it hot.
I like it hot, but I don't like to burn my face.
Fair.
I know that I'm not kink shaming or anything.
Kink shaming is my kink. It's very important they see my sifting technique. Do you approve of my sifting technique?
Hit it. Bam, 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 bam.
Wham bam. Thank you. I don't know. I don't really think there's a rhyme for sifter. And
Shazam?
bam.
Oh.
Shazam. Folded the flour, melted butter, juice and lemon zest. Butter, in. Just want to make sure there's no payoff. I'm going to start with half of this. So we're folding in the flour, butter, and the lemon now.
My
And
mother tells me I don't know how to fold.
I mean, you definitely know what you're doing here.
There's a lot of flour on the side. Just trying to be gentle.
Yeah, I put a lot of air in it, and it would be good to keep it. Don't you agree? I mean, I don't feel like I'm saying anything controversial here.
I don't think we need more air in Washington, D.C.
Ha ha ha! $3.16, $3.17, $3.18.
Just put the rest in there. I don't think we need to go crazy.
No. All right, they're each about 320, 315 grams. We got our cakes going, doubled up the recipe, and we're gonna start working on the buttercream now. I'm using lavender that we got from Blooming Hill, and I'm using 2 teaspoons of that. Cakes smell amazing though. That's the good news. 2 tablespoons. So I've got here a lot of butter. Can't see it, can't see it. There you go. And I poured out some of the vanilla that's in. Got some blueberries going that I'm gonna take the juice from. This is my lavender buttercream. And we're gonna pair up these 2 things together so that we can get some nice pale bluish color for the buttercream and the cake at large. Time to strain, time to strain.
You're what?
Time to strain the berries. And we're off in the Mauve Derby.
Stop calling it mauve.
Lavender Derby. It sounds like it could be a horse race.
It really does, but it makes me not like lavender as much.
Aww. Sorry. Should I be sorry?
Never.
Never apologize.
Weakness!
That is one good looking cake. You sure you don't want to use this thingy?
No, this is just getting it on, sort of, because
I see.
you can scoop a bit more and then even it out with the...
I see your logic, and it is good.
Thanks, dear.
Just focused on the hands. Catch these hands!